For this tutorial, I will show you how to create a portfolio from a template, publish that portfolio so it's visible to your teacher and your peers in the class, and also submit a static version of the portfolio to the assignment. So first, you'd navigate to Digication Cora. From there, you will only have the one activity, which is to create the portfolio. From here, you would like to select Add Work. Before I select Add Work, I want to say my interface will look a little bit different than yours will because I already have portfolios. So keep that in mind. So select Add Work. From here, if you've never made a portfolio at the University of Virginia, it will automatically grab the template and load. So you do not have to click anything here. It will just automatically load. Since I already have a couple of portfolios, I must select Create New. And that's what you would have seen. It just would have automatically gone to the first screen, the little icon of the notepad, and then this. And then from here, it will give us the portfolio. Okay, so here we have to do two things. One, we would like to share the portfolio with our peers and the teacher. So from here, you begin typing or just select 24 Elementary French or whatever your course is, right? If you don't have any other courses using Digication, this is the only one that should pop up. So just to show you, you're the owner of this portfolio. You give people permission to see it. You're giving your teacher permission to see it, not make any changes. The professor can comment on it. And also other students in the class can also just see your work. So from here, we will select Save. Now, to make it visible to your professor and to other peers, we would like to publish all pages. So Publish Pages. It's showing us the pages we're going to publish that are all in draft mode now. We publish the pages, and now the portfolio is visible to our class and to our teacher. Only the people in this Canvas course can see it. Now your professor also wants you to submit an archived or static version snapshot of the portfolio to ensure that you've done it correctly. So from here, you would select Submit. Now you will only have one activity. Since I'm in several courses, I have multiple. So look, it's the name of the activity, create the portfolio for the course. Select all pages to ensure your professor can see that you've submitted and grabbed the portfolio correctly. From here, you would select Submit. Share submission with peers or don't share submission with peers. That's whatever your professor tells you to do. And then you select Submit. So it's telling us we're submitting on this date these pages to this assignment for this course. So after it's completed here, we're done with this part. When we start adding work to our portfolio, we will want to publish that work every time so it's visible to our professor, especially if we're wanting to receive feedback. You will only submit work when your professor has created an assignment for you to submit to. All right, so from here, we're going to verify that we've done the things correctly. So first, we want to verify our submission. So we select the submission. We can see the snapshot or the archive version of the portfolio here, right? This yellow banner says, hey, this is not the live portfolio, it's just a snapshot. We exit out of there, and now the work shared in the course, our portfolio is visible here. And here's when we can work on our portfolio. And remember, we would need to publish either that page or pages every time we're doing work on our portfolio. Okay, so this is how you make a portfolio from a template, publish and share it with the course, and also submit the static or archive version. Thank you.